friends are.
Hi, everybody. I'm Claudine.
I'm trying to think who picks me up the most. Emmy and Shauna.
And this is my
And
brush.
Natalie.
All you
But
do
Natalie likes
is
to
just go brushity, brushity,
I
brush.
want a couple nice deep breaths.
This is my stand. I will stand up for you guys. As you could tell, I can easily stand up because I'm awesome.
Gracias.
De nada.
Guess what? Guess what? I took a quiz and it said,
And did you flunk?
no, it's like Kahoots. It's like a game on the computer, like quiz games. Like each kid gets their own computer.
This is what Claudine looks like. She's
She's
standing up.
the second class. I won all 3 times.
Bye.